Hello kids, today we learn about pet animals. Let's start. Parrot. Parrot. Where is parrot? Parrot. Goat. Goat. Where is goat? This is goat. Cat. Cat. Where is cat? Cat. Rabbit. Rabbit. This is rabbit. Rabbit. Yak. Where is yak? Yak. Fish. Where is fish? Fish. Sheep. Where is sheep? Sheep. Macaw. Parrot. Macaw parrot. This is macaw parrot. Duck. Where is duck? Duck. Pig. This is pig. Cow. This is cow. Dog. Where is dog? Dog. This is dog. Pigeon. This is pigeon. Camel. This is camel. Llama. Where is llama? Llama. Horse. This is horse. Horse. It's revision time. Cat. Rabbit. Parrot. Goat. Llama. Yak. Camel. Cow. Macaw parrot. Fish. Pigeon. Pig. Duck. Sheep. Horse. Dog. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye kids.